Headband of the day. Isn't that how the song goes? It's not about my headband. This is about AnnMarie skincare. I'm gonna do a facial with this little trial bottle I got of the coconut honey mask. And I'm gonna take you for a journey to see if it improves my skin and just to let you know how it feels. Because so far I've liked all of their products, so I wanna see how much I like this. So welcome to my bathroom. I am going to take you through what it's like to try this coconut honey mask from AnnMarieGianni.com skincare. I'm really lathering it on my nose for some reason. But I got this in a trial kit and I really love it. And so I got another one and I'm giving you a go on what it's gonna feel like. I did it from before picture and I'm gonna do an after picture because this mask, it's called a coconut honey mask, and it has live enzymes in it and amino acids. So it's supposed to help soothe dry, irritated skin, that winter skin we're all feeling right now. Yeah. And then I'm going to show you, whoops, that's about to fall on the floor. I'm going to show you a few other products that I'm going to put on after, just to soothe it even further. And we'll see how my skin looks before and after. So far it feels really good going on. Coconut honey, it smells amazing. So I'm really having like some aromatherapy right now. I'm gonna put it on my neck too. It's really smooth and creamy and it kind of feels warm when you put it on. So it is kind of warming and I like that. So let's see how we do in just about, I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 12 minutes and we'll go from there and I'll be back to tell you what I think and show you a few other products I'm going to experiment with. Okay, later. So it's about 31 degrees and I've decided to sit outside in the sun and let the sun help to activate my coconut honey mask. So, and plus it just feels really good out here because when you find a spot in your home or on your porch somewhere that's like getting a lot of sun access but it doesn't get a lot of wind, even when it's in the 30s, it feels really good. Like it feels, you know, warmer than it actually is. So right now I'm really enjoying how warm the sun feels on my skin and there's no breeze here. So maybe it's more like probably 50 degrees right now. But let's see if I can activate more of this mask with the help of the sun. Okay, so I'm taking it off now. And I actually like to use cold water to remove this. I know some people would probably use a warm washcloth or even a hot washcloth, but I like to use cool because it actually, when you use cold water on the face, it actually stimulates the vagal nerve, which calms the body and kind of resets everything internally with digestion and with the nervous system. So it's just a really great habit to get into is using cooler water rather than hot water. Hot water can be kind of drying to the skin, and since we just use a very hydrating mask, we don't want to be drying our skin out. So that's just what I recommend, but you might feel differently, especially in the cold winter months, to put cold on your face. I think I have it all off. My skin, I don't know if you can tell a difference yet, but I am going to do an after picture and show you, but it already feels much more even toned and even keeled, I guess is a good word for it, because my skin actually feels like it's had kind of a bath, if you will, and kind of a reprieve from the day. I get kind of rough sometimes. As a stand-up paddler, I just go out and stay pretty active and I don't really do a lot to my skin. So that's why I like AnnMarie, because they kind of keep it simple. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is the Anti-Aging Serum. Stand by. So I travel a lot and these little bottles are amazing. I mean, you don't get much out of them, but I have enjoyed buying their little sample kits from AnnMarie because when I travel, this is like, hello, I don't even need a carry-on. I could just put this in my pocket. So the Anti-Aging Serum makes me want to start singing the song Edelweiss, Edelweiss, because it's got that in it. Okay, how cool is that? Which actually protects the skin from environmental stressors. I love that. And it also has hyaluronic acid, if I can say that 5 times fast, which actually helps to hydrate and beautify the skin, kind of give it that dewy look, if you will. So yeah, I really love that. That's what I just put on now is the Anti-Aging Serum. This is part of their Restore line. to help restore dry and mature skin. I would say that at 38, I've got kind of mature skin. So the next thing I'm doing is the anti-aging facial oil, and this stuff smells incredible. And it actually goes on really smooth like an oil. You don't need a lot because it's really just a gentle oil, but yet you don't need a ton of it because it really coats nicely. And this kind of seals in that serum. I really like it for that. It's got a nice little batch of seed oils in it. Even like broccoli seed oil is in here. So yeah, if you need to get more broccoli into your day, this oil is a much friendlier way to do it. So, so I'm just kind of smearing this all over. And if you could smell me right now, you'd want to like lick my face because it smells like an Edelweiss German flower garden. So I'm just saying that these products are a little bit amazing. I'm going to go ahead and take my after picture and let you be the judge for yourself. Now, in the link below, I will include a link where you can get these at a really nice sample kit rate. I'm also going to be doing a video on their lovely Earth Mineral sample kit of powders. I love the sample kits because you can like try them before you buy them. And the sample kit of all the different powders, that way you can try and see what powder works for your skin tone. So I'm going to do a video on that. But it also comes with the herbal facial oil, which I'll be talking about in that video. Anyway, check out the link below for the kit that includes the coconut honey mask, as well as some of the other little vials of goodness. The one thing I didn't mention, which I'm kind of out of because I use it like crazy, is the Neroli toning mist. So this is like a mist that you spray. See, I'm out, and that just sucks because the smell of this is just like even 50 times better than this other stuff too. So it's like smells on top of smells. And they're not overpowering. Like I said, I'm like an Edelweiss German flower garden, or like you're walking through Switzerland or something. That's kind of what it smells like. So I kind of like that. So check out the links, get yourself the sample kit, and let me know what you think. I think it's wonderful to share products that work really well for us and to kind of build this community of good anti-aging and positive aging status together. So yeah, and according to one of my friends, I'm supposed to call it positive aging rather than anti-aging. So let's not anti-age because aging just happens, but let's like positively age. And you can do so with really great organic, high quality skincare line like this, where it's made from somebody who's passionate about skincare. So I like that. So, okay, bye for now.